Hi there, I am Kim Evans, and I am so excited to be here today on my channel to share with you some wonderful news. But before I do that, let me tell you who I am. I'm Kim Evans. I'm a business coach. I'm a holistic wellness educator. I'm the owner of Two Gorgeous Integrated Health and Wellness, 29 years brick and mortar. So, as a business coach, I actually help super amazing, brilliant, ambitious womenpreneurs to thrive. I help them to take their gifts from the marketplace to the bank, to be able to bank their expertise, to package, to price their knowledge and their skill set into digital products and online success. So today, I actually am launching my digital library, the School of Beauty and Business. In the School of Beauty of Business, I house all of my master trainings and my courses that will help women fill the gap, if you will, where they may be missing some areas that's helping them to grow and to scale their business. So inside the library, we actually have master trainings such as how to start your podcast show. Because I have my podcast show. Going on the fourth year. Yeah. Inspired conversations. Yes. And also how to create an online course that sells in 30 days. I have that in there. If you're looking to go live and you really are not comfortable, don't have the confidence yet, that master training is for you. It's also very amazing, very simple, to the point, results oriented. So speak up, show up, how to present yourself live in front of the camera. Canva made beautiful. So if you're wanting to know how to really make your messaging and your posts and social media pop, hey, that's the class for you. AI, I have a course on that, an introductory on how we can utilize those tools to grow and to expand our businesses. I'm a licensed esthetician, massage therapist, professional makeup artist, 29 years. So I was able to take my gifts and my managing my spa over the years and being a business owner, teaching other women entrepreneurs on how to manage their businesses successfully. And now I'm in the online space. So welcome, the School of Beauty and Business. I look so forward to seeing you on the other side of success. And the Accelerator, which is my monthly business coaching program. You might just want to join that. Now, inside the Business Accelerator, we have everything. So you don't have to purchase them a la carte. You just come right in, start wherever class that you want. And the beautiful thing about the Accelerator, I'm adding new courses and trainings to that every single day. So as long as you are a member at $4.97 a month, you get access to all of that. We have also two group meetings, and then you also get me as your personal coach where you could set up some one-on-one time. If you come in for the full rate, actually for 1 year access, that's $5,500, and you pay it in full, you actually get four private coaching sessions with me. So it's a wonderful opportunity to grow because as we know, as you're growing your business lady bosses, 6, 7 figures, you really are going to need some ongoing hand holding support and coaching. I'm not new to this. I'm true to this. I continue to get coaching in my own practice. And as I grow from level to level and experiencing in my business, I continue to evolve. I continue to advance and to also to have coaching myself. So coaching is an ongoing thing as long as you're advancing the kingdom of your business, right? So there you have it. Thank you. Welcome again. I'm Kim Evans. I so enjoy you. Would love to see you in the group Accelerator program. If not, you can always purchase a training a la carte. All right. Thank you for now. Bye for now. Yes.